What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm so sorry it's been so long since I've made a video. Today we are going to be installing a Gktech drift button. Now this is pretty much universal for any S13, S15, R32, I don't know, just the generic S and R chassis platforms. I'm sorry I haven't put a video out in a long time. I've just been super busy with starting an apprenticeship again and just working and just generally having a family and whatnot. It's very tiring and you get minimal time to even do anything for yourself. So at the moment the 33 is the 33 sitting on this. It's currently on stands at the moment. You can probably see, I'm not going to go too close, but you can probably see that there's a Turbo Smart 40mm wastegate right there. That'll be another video coming up very soon. But for today, let's get stuck into putting this drift button in. Okay, so I've already pulled the boot off, because it's a very tedious job to get off. So this is what the boot looks like as it is. So to start, so you've got this little collar here, right? So this little collar normally obviously slips into the end of the boot here, and to get to get it off, all you need to do is just get a flat blade screwdriver, put it into the end of it, and then just kind of pry it out. Once you get it out, slip it off, and then this will obviously be on here. Now from factory, these things are stuck like shit to a blanket, so they're very, very hard to get off. Easiest way I found to get it off was just grab a microfiber cloth, because they're quite grippy and you can actually get a good amount of grip on it. Just grab it and turn like that and slide it off. So I've already got mine off because I was impatient. I just wanted to get it done, because I originally bought another drift button, but it didn't fit quite as well as I had anticipated. So I just bought this just generic silver one off eBay. But it actually fits quite loosely over the button, and that's not what I wanted. So let's go and open this one up, and we'll go from there. Okay, so just your standard Gktech black drift button. These I think I paid like $22 including express postage. So just got to unwrap it. Very simple design, but nice. It's got a nice chamfered edge on it. Looks very nice and tidy, very simple. Now I'll grab the other one to compare. So here's the two in comparison. Gktech one's nice and slim. I don't know if you can tell because one silver one's black, but you can see there's a size difference. This one here, the silver one looks like it's a lot bigger, and this would actually slide. So we'll use my finger for example. It'd slide in and out way too easy. With the Gktech one, you've actually got to hit it on with a hammer, because it's obviously made to fit. So if I was to say use this one, I would flick my thumb out and I'd literally knock the button off. So I opted out and got a genuine, not genuine, but a Gktech one, Gktech. So let's go and we'll go and fit it. Done. No, just kidding. Okay, so let's get in here and we will have a little look-see. So first thing you want to do, you want to get yourself a flat blade screwdriver. I'll probably use this one. I've got a couple in here at the moment. So see, there is two tabs. So a tab here and a tab here. So what we're going to do, screwdriver, if I can get the screwdriver in here. So bend the tab out. You're going to push the spring out the way like that. So bend the tab out like that. So I've got both springs out, guys. So springs out. Oh, get that out of the way. Okay, so the springs out, tabs are out. So now pretty much we can just, and now it's a bit of a pain. So there we go. So I've pulled the button out. So now what we can do is, wherever it is, yep. So we can take our boot again, slide it back down and over. Boot is back on. Now pretty much what we've got to do is get ourselves a hammer or something, push that on and give that a tap. Okay, so we'll go to my toolbox of tricks. There is a mess in this toolbox. I'm pretty sure I've got a rubber hammer because I don't really have anything else to really hit it on with. Oh, here it is. Rubber hammer. So you pretty much just give it a hit on like that, like so, done. So just pull out, flick out, done like that. So I can just clip the rubber boot back on. So I'll give you a quick run through again, even though I'm at the end of the video. Okay, so this is normally in the end like that. Then what you're going to do, you're going to get a flat blade screwdriver, put it in the end, and just like flick it out until it comes out. Then you should just be able to pull. Grab yourself a microfiber cloth, or where is it gone? I keep throwing shit around. Anyway, so you want to grab your microfiber cloth and kind of, you know, not as if you're pulling yourself off, but you know, give it a twist and pull at the same time. So the boot will come off. There's a 2 tabs in the side. Pull the tabs out, both sides, let the spring drop down, and make sure obviously that the tabs are flush that you can put the boot back over. Slip the boot back on, button on, hit it with a hammer, and you are good to go. So once again, pull up as normal. Now it's off. You can pull it however you want. Done. Just like that. So pull. Simple as that. So really simple, really easy, really simple, quick guide on how to do a Gktech or any sort of drift button in your R33. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very, very soon. There's big news and big video to come on what I've actually done to the Skyline already. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.